How can le judge expect intoba nagaba guys, how can a judge expect intoba the case must exist but it's not on the system? There is a case, there is a Nongoma case 163 of 10/2018. However, the charges in that case is possession of an unlicensed firearm and ammunition. And the accused person in that case is who? Qanselani Beki something Buthelezi. And he is the only suspect in that case. The only suspect. Now, how can a judge of 50-something years, 5 decades kesana of experience, uleqa is 6 decades kesana of experience, how can he want to force us to see a case that does not exist? Why is he not asking himself, if this gentleman from KZN and is a lieutenant colonel comes and says, I investigated a case that had a firearm and ammunition only, I know nothing about murder, and I only had one accused and that person is serving 15 years for that case. Why is he not asking himself, where did Gininda and Tim get all of these charges, the murder charge? Why is this thing not in the docket? Why does this man know nothing about Gininda and his team and everything else? Why is that? Why is a normal judge with 55 experience not asking that? Why? Why? Do you see now, Judge Ratamu Khwatleng, you want us as South Africans to be like, was therefore right about those allegations? That's what you are inviting us to do now. You are inviting us to say, therefore, he's not beating them allegations. Please bring us proof so that we can speak about something that is proper. Were you right? Were you telling the truth? Can you please...
Ngisho lokho. Ubaba uZungu wayiqinisile methi inkantolo icorrupt. Hayi mina ratha corrupt. Hayi mina ratha ibopha abantu efanele baboshwe uyacindezela abameli laba wena ratha judge ratha abameli njalo mebekhuluma izinto ezibopha ilokhuzana ezikhipha ama accuse ecaleni uyabahlinela ubacindezele uze wathi umuntu weDNA ushilo wathi according to iSamari yale DNA yamadNA wathathile uyaveza ukuthi bonke ama accuse are excluded. Ningazosibalela lo 2% lethi khona u2% one lo 2% owubala uyavela lo 2% owubala uyavela
ufikisa ama experts nayibe nephutha
kusho ukuthi abizwelana ama experts mengabe futhi uright ezophinda athi awekho 100% hayi bafethu ngazodlala ngathi inkantolo noma yini leya akona kwakhona ratha la bisecourt wena fana bumela umbuso futhi fana ngaba ukho bias wena fana ngaba umuntu owumidliman kopha uniyakhombisa ukuthi ngeke ngithuke angisho ukuthi njalo kodwa ngithi ngeke ngithuke angisho ukuthi wayithatha imali wejudge ratha kepha ngeke ngithuke mase kuthiwa wathatha ama million ngeke ngithuke ngeke ungithuse lokho because indlela oyiphatha ngayo ngeke ngithuke ngingakholwa futhi baningi abantu abakholwayo lokho kepha ufakazi asinabo kepha ngesithuke ngoba uyakuveza ukuthi uyacindezela idefense hayi ngeke sithule sikubuka wenza into engekho kanje ngadabuka ngibona abafundi belaw befikile mfethu begcwele enkantolo ngathi hawu labo bathi abafundi belaw ngathi mina bazofundani kule nkantolo ecorrupt kanje uzofaka imoya wecorruption lento thina sabantu abaspiritual siyazi ukuthi uma ngabe uhleli endaweni wena usukuyihead umoya wakho uphumela kulabo bantu umoya kaRathi uzophumela kulabo bonke laba abafundi bafanele sabasathi ukuthi sobabeka izandla bakhishwe lo moya obangena lapha ecourt because inkantolo icorrupt labo abafundi ngiyabazwela babuka yonke le corrupt abantu likhona engadlaba abanye bafethu lesibukela bethe begqoka sesisaba ngisho bameli nje abantu kube ummeli ugcina